What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is early in the morning and we are going to the airport at 9 o'clock because we are going to South Carolina, North Carolina, because we are going for a wedding. So when we go to the airport, right? We're going to Atlanta first. We're going to the airport to 1 hour to Atlanta, and from Atlanta, we're going to drive to South Carolina, North Carolina, for 3 hours, and then we can stop, take pictures, and make videos in the way there. And when I'm in North Carolina, I can make so I'm tired. So anyways, in South Carolina, when we are there, I can make a lot of videos when we travel there, when we visit in South Carolina. And so yeah. And here's my dad. Say hi. And we were walking my dogs in the morning at 7 in the morning. And we are getting ready to go to the airport because again, we go to the wedding. The whole family of my family is going, beside my sister. So yeah. Alright, guys. So I hope you have a great day, and when I'm in the I will record when I'm in the plane, because remember last time I recorded in the plane. I can say, hey, I'm in the plane, or I can talk to you in the car. Alright? I promise I can talk to your car or in the plane. Alright? Alright. If you don't subscribe to me, you have a bad luck. Alright? Alright. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.